I got hollow back Maki. A hollow back Maki roll. A hollow Maki. It blew up in my face. Awesome. Chase the gimmick. Chase the genius, but I'd rather chase the phoenix. If I could ever hit him off, I'd like to grab the wingtips. I guess that's just a stupid motherfucker acting fiendish, but it's like that. Right flaps, setting on conversion, blurging on the track, and I'm acting as if it's urgent. Talk about a dirty, dusty, fingertip, page data. Fire butterflies, developed by the haters. I got it to beat up, baby. Going to doors to check up my rabies. They acting crazy, they're insane. That's all I gain for a class. Put vanilla Dutchess in a skyline cage cattle. They want us to test it, but if shit gets too aggressive, I'll lay my head to sleep and let my earthworms do the rest.
Burn train buffers, my fancy. Up jumps the boogie, delivering eye candies. Flow through the muck with a clutch when I tried it. Never give a fuck how far pie. You are dealing with a reborn icicle age poltergeist. Up rocks, I walk cypress stuck at the bus stop. Wood must not sleep under the invader. No batter, no jumper cable. Wired under rangers, play box cutter, fake slip. Rock on a makeshift spirit. See, y'all, I'm just a funny moniker with a couple of fresh records and a banging hand style. I put the cookies when they guess with. Walk for that, metal train rap brainiac. Walk for them, not a limelight. Word of blush, Elizabeth crimson. When I'm multi-billion tenants, I'm traditional rituals out the hearts of starving children. And I read they can see the city bleeding from their satellites. Formed by the corporate war drums recorded poorly. Dirty dub band, bruised by the heat of wicked pallets. Chewed by the tooth of living maggots. Final DNA and pull a straight no chase. Mars attacks colorful raptors on motherships. Hazy days to stay purple. Consist with a Z bargain like crazy Eddie commercials. Network with a dirt devil. Burn train buffers. High. The way your little parasol spins by. So money in the full dick. Catapult spin. Moves in the screws and bolts. And all they heard screws broken. Broken, soaking bolts. That radio. I'm a mayhem. Fine. Suicidal eye full of plastic knives. Bang. No battle. There's no summer cables. Cave paintings get the natural history feather dust. Pick a lust, Hamilton stretch DeLorean chrome. Sitting on 20s, then I walk to the stove, burning my laundry. Low pro, fucked up gym, back at the party, spitting chain meets, flight in the balconies in a heartbeat. Saber team, catalog, city art, liturgy. Rank your ranks and danger to click maximum efficiency, and isn't that dope? The line of flying winged pine arts and had it while I'm flanking to the map most. Finding Bibles and a graphite prison violator with Joshua for the war gamer sis. Now the architects are rioting cause we built something different. How the fuck short shot evolution, not my business. My elephant television was on. Grape soda, grape ape, great space coaster. D&D, G.I. Joe, Transformer, Herculoid, Thundercat, Voltron, Speed Racer, Space Ghoster. Kiss the flickerman images with Carolyn fingertips. C44 chamber skips. Oh shit. They say his eyes were spiraling back when he hit the map. Won't first words. Oh, it's like that. Started bending spoons and ripping arrows at a lady hawks with a C3P unit trying to interpret the baby talk. Train puffers. Right turn with a Mr. Iceberg. Fine. You don't like our kind. Who you? Junkyard dog. Hot tin roofs, cradle kittens with them subpar flaws. Rapping is my radio, graffiti is my TV. B-boys keep the windmills breezy. Cannibal jump.